is developed in China. In 1772, in his attempts to isolate oxygen and carbon dioxide from the air, Daniel Rutherford discovers nitrogen. 1774, Joseph Priestley is credited with the discovery of oxygen. 1776, Alexandre Volta starts his study of the chemistry of gases, discovering methane. 1776, Henry Cavendish discovers hydrogen. 1883, nitrogen is first liquefied at the Jagiellonian University, creating liquid nitrogen. 1956, Christopher Cockrell invents the hovercraft.
Now, kinetic energy is the energy found in moving objects, and that's why it's also known as movement energy. So can we just have some movement in the room, please? Maybe a little wiggle, maybe a little seat shuffle, and maybe a cheeky little wave. Oh, nice kinetic energy, everybody.
Very nice. Eyes back to the screen. Next up is...
And potential energy is stored energy and can be found in things such as raised objects.
Right, now we're going to do 3 in a row, and let's see if we can get louder with each one we say. So eyes back to the screen. First up is... And...
Light.
And...
Sound.
Now, light energy is stored energy and can be found in things such as raised objects like the basketball.
Yes, exactly like this basketball.
Now, when we let go the basketball, when Colette lets go, the potential energy will be converted into kinetic energy. Its stored energy changed into kinetic energy.
So what is the potential energy inside this basketball?
Well, let's all find out together. If Colette was to use her energy to lift the basketball, that energy is then stored inside the ball. It now has what we call gravitational potential energy. And when Colette lets go, the ball falls to the floor and bounces back up almost the point where it started. So we have just converted the gravitational potential energy into kinetic energy.
Okay, but is it possible to transfer that energy onto another object, like this tennis ball?
That's a very good question. Now, we've all just seen how high the basketball bounces by itself. Let's quickly check out the tennis ball. You can see how high the tennis ball bounces just by itself. But it's possible to transfer the kinetic energy from the basketball onto the tennis ball. All you need to do is put the small ball on top of the big ball. And watch what happens this time, everyone. When Colette lets go as the balls hit the floor, the basketball will die as it transfers all its kinetic energy onto the tennis ball, and the tennis ball should go up even higher.
Should,
but Colette, if it does, you might get a round of applause, and that round of applause might sound something like this. But if our new friends were really impressed, it might sound something like this.
no pressure, thanks.
It is now time to start our first experiment of the show, and you can all help us start with a big 3-second countdown. Get ready, everybody. Here comes the countdown.
3, 2, 1.